Hello my dear friends, this is Narayan Chandrakumar Praveen of 15B. I am a second year medical student of Ohio State University and I am here to share some preventing measures for the COVID-19 virus with you. Okay, let's go through the video. Always wear face mask, maintain social distancing, wash your hands frequently. These are the things we heard frequently for the past 8 to 9 months, is it? So what is the reason for this loud voice? This loud voice is due to a small ultra microscopic structure or a virus which is named as severe acute respiratory syndrome coronavirus 2 or SARS-CoV-2. It was first discovered in China and now it spreads among the worldwide. Around 11 lakhs people lost their lives around the world due to this coronavirus. All the various governments across the globe have declared various lockdowns and restrictions among their countries, but still the rate of corona patients is rapidly increasing instead of decreasing. So what is the reason for this cause? Basically, the viruses are non-motile substances which cannot able to move from one place to another. But how the coronavirus spread from China to India and China to Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan, Uzbekistan, etc. How it travels across the globe? How it happens? Humans are the host for the coronavirus. Humans are the transmitting agent or a good vehicle for this coronavirus. So we, the human beings, are the major cause for the increasing rate of this coronavirus infection. The coronavirus gets transmitted from a infected person to a healthy person by means of the body fluids, mainly by the droplets secreted by the mouth and nose. So now I want to tell you some safety measures you should need to practice this to avoid the coronavirus attack. Okay, the safety measure number 1 is always wear the face mask. The coronavirus is the one which causes severe damage to our respiratory system. The face mask can prevent the entry of this virus into the respiratory tract. So always wear the face mask properly to prevent the entry of this virus into our respiratory tract. It could basically 90% it could protect your respiratory tract from this infection by preventing the entry of the virus. Among different types of face mask, the cloth mask is very suitable, or it will be very preferable, or it will be very prescribable by many doctors, because once we use this mask and again we wash and then we are able to reuse this type of mask. But if you see the N95 mask or the surgical mask, we cannot able to use it again and again. It is for a single use only. But the cloth mask, after usage, we can able to sanitize or sterilize it and then we use this mask. So the cloth mask is very good among the different types of face masks. Anyway, always wear any type of face mask. Do not go outside without this face mask. This is my first safety measure. If there is possible, always wear an eyeglass to prevent this type of corona infection. Wash your hands frequently by using a proper sanitizer. Hand washing will be a good habit because it prevents not only the coronavirus, it prevents a variety of microorganisms, pathogens which are present on our hand, because we need to touch our hands, or we need to contact many foreign items with our hands. That's why the hand, there are many microorganisms, that is disease causing pathogens also present on our surface of our hand. So if we wash our hand frequently, we can able to prevent not only the corona infection, we can able to prevent a variety of diseases by means of washing hands. So always wash your hands frequently by using a proper sanitizer. This is my second. My third measure is to maintain social distancing and also avoid close contact with the people. Even if the person or your friend, please don't make close contact with that person for some days, because the coronavirus, I already told that the coronavirus spread easily through the infected one's droplets. So avoid close contact with a person. This is my third safety measure for preventing the coronavirus. And my fourth and my final measure is to increase your vitamin C uptake by consuming fruits and vegetables. The vitamin C is very good for your immune system development. That is why I prescribe the vitamin C, which it also helps you in preventing this coronavirus attack. And also, if you have some symptoms like headache, sore throat, muscle pains or fever, please quarantine yourself in a separate room or a separate area and avoid contact with your own family members. And also take proper medication by means of your doctor's prescription. This will also help you and your family members from the corona attack. These are the prevention methods or the prevention measures for the COVID-19. Prevention is better than cure, is it? So with the help of these measures, we can able to prevent the coronavirus infection. And also with the help of these preventing measures, we can able to defeat the SARS-CoV-2 virus. The world is very eagerly waiting for the day to see a new world with rid of the corona infection. I hope that day will come very soonly if we practice this type of preventing measures. Thank you.